So welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Flat Cap Driver channel, the channel that doesn't know what it wants to be. This is not the milk run, and also I've been doing some DIY today because obviously I moved house recently and I was so gross that I had to change my shirt, but I didn't want to go anywhere clean in the house. So I picked up this t-shirt off the floor and put it on, which is the one I was wearing yesterday. But I'm off to B&Q to buy provisions. But this video is just a really short video about nothing in particular. But when I was unpacking some stuff, I found this. It is the box for my Omega Seamaster watch. I'm still wearing two watches, which I should really explain, but I think everybody knows I like to wear this watch. I like to check the time on it and the date. In fact, sometimes I set a timer on it as well by twiddling the face. But for alerts and everything else, I use my Apple Watch. That's not weird, is it? It's totally normal. And also checking my heart rate, because, you know, for a time I thought I was having a heart attack, or I was having some kind of coronary incident. Anyway, and I was quite excited finding that, because this watch was bought for me about 18 years ago. Yeah, 18 years ago. And I think even the receipt might still be in that box. And I've had a few receipts where it's been serviced, or because it's not the automatic, so it's the quartz one, the battery powered one, which is no longer made. So from what was paid for it, which was, I think it was something like £1,100 back then, which is still a lot of money to me, but not, you know, if you're a watch collector, that's pocket change. You probably wouldn't even buy that back then. But now it's no longer made. So I checked with somebody, and they said they were a collector. No, not collector. They were a buyer, or are a buyer of high-end watches. Now, mine isn't very high-end at all, but they said they would give me £3,500 for it. And I thought, bloody hell, I could buy a Boxster for that much, but I'm not going to get rid of it. Just because I've had it for so long, I really like it, and that's it. It's just, you know, I wouldn't be able to buy another one. Same with my same reasoning that I keep my 911. People offer me way more than I paid for it, but would I be able to buy another one? No, I wouldn't. So anyway, when I get to my destination, actually I need to go to a different shop first, but when I get to my destination, I'll open it and see what's inside. Look at this, look at this. So I'm going to open it. Sorry I had to wait so long till the end of the video on this, but oh my goodness, I'd forgotten. Look at that. Oh my word, wow. Oh my goodness, it's got the works, it's got everything in here. Operating instructions. The operating instructions they are unopened, but look at that. Look how thick that is. Wow. Ooh, what's this? I don't see a receipt in here, but this is 2003. It is the receipt. It's like, it's a card. And then what's this? pictograms. Operating instructions edition. Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! It's all there! That is the receipt! Oh my word! That is amazing! Wow! Okay. That needs to be kept somewhere safe. Okay. Well, that's it. That's the video. That's what I was going to show. I think... Wow, I'm so pleased I found that. So, does that mean my watch is worth more? I mean, the box is pretty pristine. Oh, there's a bit ripped on. Sticker has been taken off, but pretty awesome though. Cool. Anyway, that's it for this video. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.